Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. This is the question that was asked in GATE 2017. Okay, so we are going to see what will be the output of it. So these are the two standard input-output header files, and string header file is included, and after that we main function is called. Okay, so we have called a main function in our stack area. Okay, now we have taken is pointers of type character, and this string is given. Okay, so this string GATE CSIT 2017 is given, and the address of base address of this is stored in the character pointer C. Okay, now again we have taken the character pointer P and stored the address is stored inside C. Okay, so C is P is another pointer of type character, and it's storing the base address of this string. And now what we are going to do, we are going to print a integer number that is returned by this strlen function. Okay, so what is happening in here, C, that is our base address, that is 1000, and plus this 2p. So what is the meaning of this 2p? This has the same meaning of this. Okay, so the value stored at the place of p, 2, and a value stored at the place of 6. Okay, so 2p and the 6p has the same meaning as p2 and p6. Okay, and so what is the value of p2? That is our t. So ASCII value of this t is taken. So 84 minus, and what is our p6? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is I. So what is the ASCII value of capital I? That is 73. Okay, and now we are subtracting minus 1. So what is the value of this? 84 minus 74. So this equivalent value will be 10. Okay, so strlen, so what is inside this? The equivalent value at that address that is passed inside the strlen function, that is 1010. Okay, so it will count the string length from this position till our null is found. Okay, till the end. So what is this position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 1, so we are pointing to our 1 in here. Now, so from here to here, the string length is 2, and that's why it is typecasted into integer, and that's why it will print 2. So what will be printed? The output of this program is 2. So this is the answer of it. This is the answer. Thank you so much.